the neck of self-control, and it breaks like prison bread, straight jacket seduction. It whispers like the voice in your ear. You've opened up the floodgates, and I'm drowning in your love. You've opened up the floodgates, and I'm drowning in your love. It's too late to turn back. I'm falling in love with the thrill of the kill. Adultery. I have become a danger to myself. A danger to myself. Now that I'm in the palm of your hand. The palm of your hand. I have betrayed my family. Betrayed my family. Committed in sin adultery. And I can't stop now. I can't stop now. Oh, I'm falling in love with the thrill of the kill. And at this masquerade, you're the clown and criminal. I will play the devil in your land of make-believe. Tell me how the view is down there on your knees, on your knees.